that rode together. Jeff, and Jeff. So one was Jeff, one was Geoff, and they called me Jeff. That was like,
That's been a grandson.
yeah, that's been like almost like 45 years.
Oh, I get blue in the morning, I get blue in the evening too, yeah, yeah. I get blue in the morning time, I get blue in the evening too. If the evening come around too long, Lord have mercy, I get blue in the afternoon. Oh, I get blue in the morning, I get blue in the evening too, yeah, yeah. I get blue in the morning time, I get blue in the evening too. If the evening come around too long, Lord have mercy, I get blue in the afternoon. Oh, I get blue in the morning, I get blue in the evening too, yeah, yeah. I get blue in the morning time, I get blue in the evening too. If the evening come around too long, Lord have mercy, I get blue in the afternoon. Listening to the birds outside my window, birds outside my window. I say, Lord, put a heart song on me, yeah. Listening to birds outside my window, I pray, oh Lord, put a heart song on me. They're waking up in the morning, they ain't blue, still they can sing.
Where are you running? It's a camera.
I know, I hate that. I hate that.
What's your name?
Andy.
Andy. What's your name?
Randy.
What is it?
Randy.
Randy, Georgia Hillbilly.
Georgia Hillbillies, the comments.
That's just North Florida. And who are you?
I'm Kim.
And
AKA the Missus.
Ah.
I keep saying if I ever go with a YouTube channel of my own, I'm going to call it.
Are you Chopper Rod?
I am Chopper Rod. Yeah. Yes.
What's up, man? The famous nice Chopper Rod.
The famous Chopper Rod. Yeah.
All right, you get your $100. You put him up to it.
No.
Dude, I just want to know who put you in this fucking Jerry Garcia costume. Halloween ain't till next week. I'm sorry. I love you, dude. I'm sorry.
Well, you really hit me with the Jerry Garcia because that really hurt.
Because that's his favorite ice cream.
Ugliest guys in the world.
I was just about to say he's a very good, talented man.
He's talented.
Well, he was talented.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, they're. I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.